Alright you guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to change your license plate lights on a 2018 Chevy Tahoe. Since we don't like that ugly yellow color, since all the interiors are already factory LED, we want to change these. You can see right here, you have like a little notch. So that notch you're going to push inward and you have a clip inside. So when you push it inward, it's going to unlatch. Let's see. There you go. To take out the bulb, you twist it and pull it out. So let me take off this side for you guys. Same thing, put a little bit of pressure on it towards the inside. You can see the clip right there, so when you put pressure, then it lets you pop it out. Twist that, take this off. Make sure the lights are off too, you guys, because these regular factory bulbs do get really hot. I'll turn them on right now if you guys want to see the difference in color. I'll try and post a before and after picture too. Alright, so that's the color of the factory bulbs, which we don't like. So we're going to be putting some canvas LEDs. You could use regular ones, but we're just going to use these canvas ones because we like the quality of them. And they will work on regular vehicles and vehicles that require canvas bulbs. They're 15 bucks with a year warranty on our website with free shipping. So we'll do it after video right now. To take these bulbs out, like I said, make sure the power's off. And when the power's off, you're simply just gonna pop out the bulb. But like I said, just wait for it to cool down because they are pretty hot, or use a shirt. There you guys, so that's the LED bulb right there. That's the factory bulb. LEDs just make the car look a lot more luxurious and they're better. Look a lot nicer. Alright you guys, so to take out the bulb, just wiggle it out. Then it'll come out. If you guys are replacing these with regular LED bulbs, if you pop the bulb in this way and it doesn't turn on, you gotta unplug it and flip it this way, because positive and negative do matter. So this one's canvas, so because it's canvas, this base is a little thicker than the normal LED bulbs that we sell. So because of that, you kind of do have to wobble it in a little bit. Since the factory prongs were a little bit skinnier together, you gotta kind of push it in a little harder than usual. And then just make sure you push it in all the way. If you guys do have to apply pressure and it's something like this, make sure you don't apply pressure to the corner of the bulb, because this is only held on basically with solder. So if you put too much pressure on the corner, you'll break the bulb. And that's not something that's covered under like a manufacturer warranty. But we do give 1 year warranty on these bulbs if they go out naturally. They just can't be broken. You just pop it in the socket this way and pop it in. That's it. And I showed you guys earlier how to take them off. The little tab you guys have right here, push this one in this way, push that one in that way. When you apply pressure, then you could just pop it down. I'll do it again so you guys could see a little bit better. See how it comes right out? And to pop it back in, you do it the opposite way. Push this side in first, and this side will clip back in. I'll turn them on right now so you guys can see how they look. Alright, so now you guys can see the difference, how much better it looks and how brighter it's going to look at night. We'll put a before and after video so you guys can see the difference also. Alright, hopefully you guys learned from this video how to do it. We have other videos how to do the high beam, low beam on this vehicle. It should be exactly the same for most 15 to 2018 models. And then we'll also do another video how to change the fog light bulbs right now. Everything we put on this vehicle we have available on our website, and everything comes with a 1 year manufacturer warranty. Thanks.